What's up, guys? It's been a while. Things are going great. I hope things are also going good with you guys on the other side. And I'm always happy to see you guys here. So first thing is first. I got a very appropriate package this morning from nonetheless the sponsor of this epic video, Scentbird. So if you're a subscriber with the notifications on, by now you'll know that I work very close with Scentbird, which is a fragrance and more subscription service that carries tons of designer fragrances for you to try each month. And today I received a new niche brand called Confessions of a Rebel that is all about celebrating the spirit of the rebelliousness that exists in each and one of us. So out of the Confessions of a Rebel collection, this morning I received the Morning After. Perfect. Nothing is like a fresh Fugari scent to break the haze lingering of the chaos and the catastrophe of the previous night. Vibrant Italian lemon mingles with patchouli, and the tonka bean rounds out more of the energetic notes, while the oak moss adds a rich verdant twist. So guys, the key notes are Italian lemon, lavender, geranium, tonka bean, and patchouli. It's very traditional masculine, but women love it as well. So if you guys are interested in getting a Confessions of a Rebel, use Carlos20 to get 20% off Confessions of a Rebel fragrance. Link is down below in the description. Just go to scentbird.com. They were also so kind enough to send over a body wash and a deodorant, which I'm super excited to use because it's a compliment with the fragrance and it'll keep me fresh all day long, guys. Body wash and deodorant are a must and should be prioritized always because it never hurts to feel and be extra fresh. So why is this package so appropriate for today's occasion? Well, guys, today we are going to be rebels on a bike, as I have a lookbook that I'm going to be shooting. So my bike is completely done warming up, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this fragrance, put my helmet on, and we're going to go have fun on my motorcycle because nothing says rebel like a motorcycle, especially a nice Triumph Cafe ride. Let's go. Let's get into this.
The day I got on a bike was the day I felt free. It all started when I was 4 years old. My earliest memories of a motorcycle racing down my street, me running towards a window as I hear the noise of the beating motor traveling towards me. When I was finally able to ride freely at the age of 5, all I thought about was the sound and the feeling of my mind trying to take control of my body and motor that was beneath me and making sure I steered in the right direction. There's something to say about that feeling that you trust when you know what you're doing, but also aware that there's a slight chance of misfortune. Does luck come into play? Does skill matter? Will there be no one to blame but just the sport? When you love something, you usually ignore the bad. Sometimes thinking about it makes it even more exciting, but nonetheless, you become more attached to that feeling. The adrenaline, the adventure, the thrill. Could there be an answer to this feeling I'm expressing? I'm not sure if I'd care to find out. All I know is I'm here, I'm on, and the only thing I'm thinking about is how good my motorcycle makes me feel. And if I had to travel 1,000,000 miles, it'll be on my bike. Remember, nothing's either good or bad, but thinking makes it so.